With Avado, it's online with lots of different activities where I could be on a break, I could be on the train, I can look at it on my phone, even if I'm at the gym as well, so I can access it from anywhere. It's changed my perception of learning to say that there are lots of different techniques of learning out there, whether it be classroom-based, face-to-face, video, activities, and it's helped me to understand that there is a lot more out there. The apprenticeships benefit the industry I work in by applying the theory aspect into the practical, so kind of merging everything together and making the theory come alive through the work-based examples that we present for our course, so it really benefits in that aspect. I have seen some positive changes since I've been on this learning experience. People respect me a lot, value my opinion, and I have more knowledge with regards to backing up the training that I provide and the development as well for all the employees. The major benefit of choosing Avado to learn with is the fact that they provide an online community who you can liaise with and share experiences with. And also, you've got a tutor available who you can access at any time, and I've never experienced this before.